Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to be telling you guys the story of the Three Little Pigs. And just a fair warning, all of the voices in this is completely made up and the accents are not real whatsoever. So, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to make a complete fool of myself for you guys here and show you these cool little laser engraved storytelling items here that I made. So let's go ahead and get started. And don't hate me too much in the comments here. This is the story of the Three Little Pigs. One day, the Three Little Pigs heard that the big bad wolf was going to be coming to town. So the Three Little Pigs built their own houses, one made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of bricks. And sure enough, upon the horizon, they seen the big bad wolf coming into town. So they all ran and they hid into their houses to try and be safe and sound. So now that the pigs were in their houses, the wolf came up and knocked on the first door. "Hey, little pig, won't you open this door?" The pig responded, "No way will I open this door. Not for you, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin." And the wolf responded, "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down." Arr, arr, arr. So then the wolf huffed and he puffed and he blew that house down. So the first little piggy ran off to his neighbor and hid in his house to try and stay safe and sound. So the wolf went and followed, and he knocked on that door. "Hey, little pigs, won't you open this door?" The Three Little Pigs responded, "No way will we open this door. Not by the hair of our chinny chin chins." And the wolf responded, "I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow this house down." Arr, arr, arr. And then the wolf proceeded to blow that house down. Then the two little pigs ran off to their neighbor, and they all went into the house to try and stay safe and sound. So the wolf began to follow, and he went and knocked on the door. "Hey, Three Little Pigs, won't you please open this door?" And the pigs responded, "No way will we open this door." And the wolf responded back, "Well, I'm going to huff and puff and blow down your house." So the wolf then proceeded to huff and puff, and he tried to blow down the house. But no matter how much he puffed, he couldn't blow down the house. So the pigs were safe and sound, and the wolf had to leave. Then the pigs came out and celebrated that the wolf was gone. And that's the story of the Three Little Pigs. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know I made a complete fool of myself there, but I wanted to show you guys how you could do this with your own kids. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys next time.